Back for another adventure in Japan, we were in Chiba and headed to the Surfskate park. Drive in Ichinomiya.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and
I didn't have my skate gear, but was lucky enough to rent a Smoothstar, and my friend brought a carver. I had never been to a park with wave-style ramps, but I felt like I got the hang of the new board and ramp style pretty fast.
dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
It was super fun to see all the kids having fun and riding a bunch of different boards. We only had 2 hours at the park, but that was plenty to get my legs burning. It was super fun to see all the kids having fun and riding a bunch of different boards. We only had 2 hours at the park, but that was plenty to get my legs burning. This is definitely a place I hope to go back to. It was not far from some fun surf spots, and the beach where they had the 2020 Surfing Olympics. Next time I go, I will make sure I bring some knee pads, so I don't have to worry about an injury on the start of my Japan vacation. If you get a chance to try this park, I would try to stay loose and feel the flow of the ramps. After a little while, you will have all the speed that you could want. I could definitely feel the muscles that I use for surfing getting a workout. I did finally get comfortable on the Smoothstar and tried to do a couple slides. After 2 hours, I had a fun flow going around the park, but my legs were about to give out. I had a great time and everyone was super friendly. It is definitely a spot worth checking out if you are in Chiba.